Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change keyboard size on a Samsung phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change the keyboard size on your device, first open the settings and then scroll down and choose General Management from the list. Within here, tap on where it says Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, scroll down and select Size and Transparency. You can now drag the handles around the keyboard to change its size or position. If you then head back a page, you might also want to now adjust the font size for the keyboard too. That's how to change keyboard size on a Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.